So today I have something a little bit different for you. Ever since I was a child, I've had it ingrained in my head that multiple streams of income is the way to go, no matter what, no matter how much money that you make. Uh, you can always go, and I've experienced it personally, from six figures to zero. And then that's kind of the worst thing ever, right? To go from something to absolute zero. And then so having multiple streams of income prevents that and prevents that catastrophe overall. And then so just, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. I'm a big fan of all of these philosophies overall. And then so, well, for this reason, I'm a big fan of side hustle businesses. And then I decided in this instance to give AI a go with regards towards creating a side hustle business. And then so how I like to approach this is kind of a mixture of experts approach. And then so again, I use ChatGPT a little bit, Gemini a little bit, and then Claude to clean it all up, and then go through and then that whole exercise, right? And then so start off, I ask, just drill down, like, what type of business should we go and analyze, and we go through, and after brainstorming back and forth, AI recommends that I start a local IT business, which makes sense, right? Okay, cool. That's my background, my experience. Overall, I can do a local IT company. And then so I essentially put AI in charge of every single part of this, right? Okay, so we're going to create a local AI company. Let's create a website. I want AI to create the website as well. And then so I use a website builder called Hostinger. And as you can see here, I've used Hostinger for multiple sites. None of this video is sponsored in any way whatsoever. None of my videos are sponsored. If you like, if you want to throw money on fire, rather than do that, you could sponsor one of my videos. That would be awesome. It'd be like the metaphorical equivalent of that. So just throwing that out there, just in case someone has that urge, it's available to you. And but so within this, essentially, I created this website in honestly a few minutes. And I went through, and then I just gave the AI a prompt within Hostinger. They have an option so that you can, like, ask AI how to build it, open a writer. You can have AI do your whole entire website, literally, right? And then I had to clean up a few things, and then there's a few things that I know from experience and knowledge going through. Like I added the logo and the favicon, fitted the contact information. I made sure that there's no John Doe. Made sure that the buttons actually work and do something for most of them. That type of thing, right? Going through all of the content, just cleaning it up. A lot of the images that it created all the good images, and making sure that, of course, the contact information works. And then, so more importantly, though, I said, okay, so I website created, and this honestly, like, so I have a Hostinger account already, but so this cost me $10 to buy the domain for a year. And I went through, and I went through like local domains, right? And then this was for me in my local domain. This was the best one that I could come up with. Kern County IT. I shouldn't. I'll mention this, and I'll note this because it was a weird flag, right? So originally I had KernCountyTechSupport.com, it got refunded. Like I bought it, and then they refunded it, and I went through. I was like why, and it was like because of abuse. I said, what is abuse about this? And they said it has support in it, so it got auto rejected. And so I said, okay, that's fine. So just Kern County IT. So don't do tech support, like anything like tech support. It's going to get flagged for whatever reason. At least with Hostinger, I don't know why. So I don't know if it'll happen with other sites, but it happened with me. So this is what I ended up with as far as the website. Very straightforward. And then I said, okay, like from here, what do we do? How do we advertise this? And then so essentially, it recommended a very simple social media campaign, which okay, whatever. And then the big thing is SEO, and then local SEO. So that's exactly how I'm going to bring all of the traffic to this website. And that's what this is, right? The KernCountyIT.com. So it's very specifically, to me, I look at this as like a Yellow Pages ad, like if you're a dinosaur. And then so all of these blog articles that then I again worked with AI, and then had it create every single one of these blog articles and these posts. I'll go here to the blog so we can actually see it live on the live site and actually click into them. And then so they're all just literally meant to boost the SEO for this site, right? They are very specifically all about Kern County and all of the cities within Kern County, and IT and AI, everything that I can, like every keyword that you can imagine, right? They're all just keyword stuff. And that's the whole point, right? Bakersfield, just a whole bunch of, like here's all of these like keywords that I can stuff into this. And then I have, I think, 10 or 12 blog articles. But so, just a significant amount of blog articles, and I can just, create more every day as I go through. Honestly, it's boring to even prompt the AI models on these articles. Like just to even prompt them and go through is boring, just flat out. Like these aren't interesting articles to make. The role of AI in enhancing IT services for Kern County businesses, the top IT security risks facing small businesses in Kern County, maximizing productivity with IT help desk support in Kern County. Like, I mean, it's kind of tear-jerkingly boring to go through and make these, just being honest. But so the goal is that this will funnel traffic and will drive just some sort of revenue, even if this generates something small per month, right? Like I have a few side hustles. Like I have like books, for example. Like books generate honestly for me about $1,000 per month. And then so I look at like side hustles like that as a really good investment, right? Like if I can make $1,000 basically in my sleep just because I have this website up, and I've built out these blog articles using an AI model, hey, and it cost me $10 to do, and if I could generate money and revenue from it, it's revenue in my sleep and just money coming in, additional revenue sources. To me, that's the big thing, right? Additional revenue sources, multiple revenue streams, and having your money work for you rather than work for your money. And that's a big change in mindset, right? And to me, the biggest way that you get that to that change in mindset, that having your money work for you as opposed to working for your money, is realizing that your goal is to build out systems and processes and not products and solutions, right? Like this isn't building out a product and solution. This is part of a system and a process. This is and analyzing the system and the process. And there's multiple systems and processes that are involved with this particular build out, right? We're testing AI within it. We're testing local businesses, and then SEO, a lot of different things, right? And then so it's just all of that, and then just keeping all of that in mind. And then so I know this is a little bit different. This is more focused on the business end of AI, but it's still utilizing AI overall. So thought I'd mention this, and I thought this would make a cool video. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.